Firecracker in a monster can.
Is that a good review? Mushroom. As we said, it's a movie game. Ow.
That's what it does. Oh shit, the thing came back up.
Oh my. That's a powerful firecracker.
Yeah, these are the ones we got.
Shit. They're kinda hot too. It's like a chalky shit.
Comment, rate, subscribe.